Heartbreak for a Kentucky family getting mixed answers about their loved ones in Brussels.
Tonight, the aunt of a young couple reported missing, then safe, and then missing again are talking about the tough time that her family has had, understandably. Roseanne Aragon is here with her story. Roseanne.
Tanya, just imagine this is what you're seeing on TV, knowing you have two family members there in Brussels, and then for days searching for any clue that they might be alive. Well, that's a reality for a Lexington woman, but she was told yesterday that they were safe. And then hours later, she said the State Department told the family they made a mistake. Now this family's nightmare continues today.
You're just watching it, it's unreal. To watch it and not have anybody there is bad, but to watch it and know you have family and people that you love there, it just wrecks your heart.
With more than 330 injured and 31 dead, Betty Newsome is longing for signs of life. Her niece, Stephanie Stults, and her husband, Justin, were last seen at the airport before the attacks happened. She spoke with our sister station, WTVQ, in Lexington.
We're trying to stay positive.
The two were married. Stephanie grew up in Lexington and moved to Brussels with her husband, both accountants. The couple was dropping off Stephanie's mom, Newsome's sister, at the airport.
She was sitting in the seats with her husband waiting for me to finish.
While Stephanie's mom, Amy Carolyn Moore, would be found, the couple hasn't been heard from since.
I talked to Justin's mom last night. She said, I'm a zombie. It's just so hard. She just wants to hear her son's voice.
Wednesday, the highest of highs. Newsome says the State Department called the family, letting them know the couple was found. But an hour later, the lowest of lows. Justin's brother took to Twitter saying the department called and said it was a mistake. They were still missing.
You vacillate between angry and sad and then just numb.
But no one is giving up hope.
I refuse to think anything negative until it has been confirmed.
We contacted the State Department to find out what happened and what went wrong, and we haven't received a call back. But as of today, family members traveled to Brussels to help look for their missing loved ones.